Shane and Kai LLP is a Silicon Valley-based law firm specializing in a number of legal fields, including intellectual property laws, debt collection laws, civil litigation, real estate law, patent law, and business and corporate law. At Shane and Kai, we provide clients with individualized legal advice in many areas. We also strive to develop a strong personal relationship with our clients and answer client inquiries promptly and with personalized attention. We appreciate the value of our clients' concerns and fight hard to present them with strategies to protect their interests and respond quickly in any legal calamity. We work with our clients to develop strategies that minimize the risk of disputes and litigation. We provide service throughout Northern California, including the San Francisco Bay Area, San Jose, Santa Clara, and in Oakland and the rest of the East Bay.